Good morning, everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Well, today we're going to make another juice, okay? I'm gonna add the water. I'm gonna put one whole bottle of water. And I'm going to use 1 carrot. I'm going to use blackberries, apples, frozen strawberries, parsley, cucumber, tomato, and some blueberries, okay, and the greens. It's just one bunch, okay? Yesterday, I put just 4 packets of Splenda, and I needed more. And also the water, 1 bottle of water was not enough because I put a lot of fruits and vegetables. Then today, I'm probably gonna need more also, okay? The tomatoes already all cut it off. And this thing is not working. Okay, we're gonna have to go to the next station. And oh, I can tell you, this is really healthy stuff, okay? You can have this in the morning, you can have it in the middle of the day, it doesn't matter. It's really healthy, and you're gonna just feel great for the whole day. You have a lot of energy, okay? I forgot to put the sugar, I mean the Splenda, because I do not use sugar. Just leave it there for a couple minutes, okay? And I want to say thank you so much for watching my video, okay? I hope you guys enjoy. I think by now it's okay. Let's try first. See how it is. It's really thick. You know, you can, if you don't want it so thick, you can put more water. And I love thick. That's why I live like that. But if you want it a little bit more, you know, you can just put more water. Guys, really health stuff. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Bye.